Thank so la kyar da text le. Tari kasugo ngazu tewa da nyingdu soya marta. Kalawro just one day getaway Quebec City la mede chik chamjam ji drop lo do go lai ba ya mani. Ine delale ne nyimajik dero ya tari di Quebec City gi ta di khangba de yin de building de pe masive nyingba chikalo Europe do den do. Ande gala ngaji bus ki tour ji do go samsa. Ta bus tour to the Zambalanyam the video ji jashan ning jo pe thesa kai sana ko bus ki upper deck double deck do upper deck la de ro ani video jaro ani o de jan thari ning du ji soya chi ta ning du short ji Quebec City ani nge ki jablo de tyong ko ta Fairmount Hotel de Karachi pe do jablo de pe ning ba re sa ro pe massive historic yo re sa odi tya ye namu Tadi kasugo Quebec City gi tadi hotel di Karachi shi di dirita. Dila do Fairmount Hotel. Di nanglo lo kashi ro room chik na dongdi yore sa. Ko jani sha yore sa. Mune yime ha wo sunga la yar go marla sa. Yeah. This chiya Europe ki team do da. Vaya. In Quebec City la chidan the Canada denge the Toronto yunge de na the Mongolian new is ro. In ngazu yeah first time da.
I know. Nyama
do was some che do ma thari mende finally mune horagi po zabardasti do shai ba.
I know.
In pe yindo do word do.
Ke zabardasti cheese machine.
Yeah. Tuze da pura 감사야 심바 뒤에다 보러 딱다 지금도 다리 간주 칼라오르고 지당원도 시 장고를 어디 정해 캔슬 레셔로 위켄드 and weekend 남시 빼하고도 so like 다다 도나 뭐 고급 들랭 거로야 남시 팀마시 2 weeks 제라 winter start 치고
아니야 저도 말해 바스 아니야
yeah so 다들이 버스 가는 뭐 view 지게 이로야 다들 Quebec City 기디 아니 다 샤데쇼로 waterfall 디 디제 찍다가 줘야 라나로 어디를 지 나가 다들이 된다 되니 yeah
On va passer juste derrière la cathédrale basilique Notre-Dame de Québec. We're going to pass just behind the Cathedral Basilica Notre-Dame de Québec. It's on your right on that street, the Buat Street. And that shows it's a good thing. So this is the cathedral. Construite en 1647, en fait la première église ici construite en 1647. Par la suite, des agrandissements à la cathédrale. Elle a été incendiée en 1922 et c'est la version 1923 que vous voyez aujourd'hui. The first church here was built in 1647. This one has been improved, enlarged in 1750s. In 1922 it was burned down by an arsonist who burned 15 churches, including two basilicas. Il a été attrapé à Philadelphie. He was caught in Philadelphia. He was burning more churches. Seulement un clocher. De l'autre côté, le sol est instable. On the other side, the soil is unstable. Go in the courtyard. This is the place where you get goosebumps. Vous allez avoir la chair de poule, parce qu'à cet endroit, on a la première famille de colons français. The first family settlers were inside that place. L'horloge de Richard Mille, clock given by Richard Mille, is from Canton du Jura in Switzerland. That gave that clock for Quebec for the 400 years of anniversary. On a obtenu cette horloge.
Oh, Belgium is something
No, Paris the Belgium day is something. Quebec more.
Aquí está Ramone Paris
Avec ici le travail que j'ai fait. Actuellement, cet hôtel de ville est là depuis 1895. Since 1895, the city hall was built. Right. On vient juste de passer sur la rue Sainte-Anne. That was designed to bring people down. Elles ont été construites parallèles
Quebec City, the main shopping area. Shopping area dirige, the street main.
La rue Saint-Jean, c'est une rue de boutique. Ask us where can we poutine in Quebec? And the best place, the first poutine restaurant in Quebec is Ashton. Chez Ashton. That's the place. Very standard poutine. No caviar, no foie gras, only basic cheese and gravy. Voici la plus vieille hôpital en Amérique du Nord. This is the oldest hospital in North America, not of Mexico, au nord du Mexique. 1639, 1639, construit par les Augustines, built by the Augustines, 1639. Right now, wall is on your right. We are no longer inside the wall, so watch your back, because we're no longer protected.
Ha!
Walls are back. Walls are great protection in Quebec. Okay. Don't stress. There will be a question about the wall. I'll tell you. It's Gallery Street. Look above the houses. Regardez les maisons au deuxième niveau. Très très joli. Very beautiful. La partie la plus européenne de Québec, this is the most European part of Quebec. Ne quittez pas Québec sans l'avoir visité, donc leave Quebec without visiting that. Était détruit, complètement démoli en 1759 par le bombardement des Britanniques, 40 000 coups de canon. In 1759, this part was completely destroyed, receiving 40,000 cannonballs during a two-month period. All destroyed and rebuilt by the government between 1960 and 1970. Rebâti par le gouvernement entre 1960 et 1970. So it recreates exactly how it was in 1759. Ça recrée complètement ce qu'il y avait. The house, maybe, I don't know what is his family. I am the 15th generation down below. First, second of you, I'm the 15th in your house. In New York Yankees, the first base.
What a beautiful small town, huh?
God, his name is Lemire.
Very clean.
Lemire. That's Lemire. Canon. No, français. Look just in front of us, just en face. That's the exact side where we were printing checks. On the other side, that's the print shop. On the other side.
Church, they were shooting Chiles, Catch Me If You Can, Leonardo DiCaprio.
My favorite hotel in Quebec. This one and that one. Those two buildings
Favorite hotel
together.
in-
The Berge Saint-Antoine. I'm going to describe it for you. The Berge Saint-Antoine. Why it's my favorite hotel. Let's say I am in the bar right now, walking in the bar. Under my feet, there is an old cannon wall. In the bar. The brick hotel on top of the cannon wall. There were cannons in the past, contained in Quebec, with no hotel. They built the hotel on top of it. It's still there. Get inside. They dug a place for the parking lot and found thousands of artifacts. Built in 1934, construit en 1934, juste après le château. Just after the château, old pension only. Nous envoie du chèque à tous les mois payer ici. Les pensions vieillissent. This one is the central train station, la gare centrale de train. Quand on look again, 1916. Very similar to the chateau. Chateau was built in 1893, so just 23 years later, we built that. This is my second quiz question, la deuxième question pour vous. Écoutez bien. Qui a fait la plupart des murs que l'on voit à Québec? Les Français ou les Anglais?
Wall of Quebec. Some
Who
of
made
Quebec
most of the
was-
walls that we see today at Quebec? French or British? All right.
Quebec, the wall.
French, raise your hands,
Wall,
please.
moi, j'ai
Français?
dit, là.
Levez votre main. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Merci. British, raise your hands. Man and ball. So, and the British, before leaving, had the courtesy to rebuild them. Around the war. Around the sea. Courtesy, they were afraid the Americans would come back. Because they came here in 1775. So before they left, 100 years later, they said they might come back, so let's rebuild the walls. And Lord Dufferin, the Dufferin Terrace, saw Carcassonne. There are walls in Carcassonne. He said, Quebec might need the walls one day, let's rebuild them. There was a tree that grew over it, an elm, a big elm. And they called it the cannonball in the tree. Because it's in the roots. Not a small one, but a big one. Big one. And they removed the tree 3 years ago. Apparently, for security purposes. Always for security. like the last church. And you can go on St. Louis Street. There is a board with photos of that tree and the cannonball. Belonging to physician clinics, corporations, associations, small firms, individuals at the hand need some love, some maintenance money here. Very expensive to maintain, to be the style and everything. There's a stop here. That's the Grand Alley stop. So, cocktails. Next one is a new cuisine. It's a first microbrewery in Quebec, première microbrasserie à Québec, Inox. Cocktails chez l'atelier. Au Petit Chalet, très bonne place à déjà. Great place for breakfast.
I know.
Au Petit Chalet. Have a great menu. Protection contre les incendies. On oublie une langue, il va brûler au complet. On va le rebâtir entre 2008 et 2018. Il y a 5 ans seulement. This building originally was built in 1885. In 2008, we were installing a sprinkler system in the roof. We forgot a lamp and it burned down to the ground. Installing a sprinkler system. It burned down to the ground. So it is now 5 years old. You see that in the ground. In 1759, we got the big battle here. That's where we were a French colony and became a British colony after this battle.
The wall door, yeah?
C'est ma troisième question, Chris. This is my last. Who was that guy? Abraham. Qui était-il? Religieux? Le militaire ou le premier? Was he religious? Military? Okay? From here, you can observe at the Belvedere, observe the city on the other side, whose name is Levy, the name of the commander who came for the day's battle. The city on the other side is Levy. The river is about one kilometer in width. You want to go outside? Okay. Jacques, il y a des gens qui
Summer,
ont
the
ça.
music concert also there, though.
You're very welcome. Have a good day. That's an active military basis. The 22nd Regiment, French Regiment, are drills in that building. French Regiment. Built by the British between 1820 and 1830. And the style is French, Vauban style. It's no dead angle. It's a star shape. There's no dead angle. Inside the residence of the Governor General, the second residence is there. First in Ottawa, second inside the Citadel. She was here last week. This week. German cannons from the First World War. Les canons allemands de la Première Guerre mondiale. En haut à droite, l'hôtel Rose de Concorde, avec son restaurant rotatif, qui fonctionne toujours, 1h15 que ça prend. Attention, laissez pas votre sacoche au bord de fenêtre. This family, they made fortune in pulp and paper industry, and in 1960 they sold all their paper mills. They invested in tourism. This is the most beautiful building in Quebec City. Not only because it's the Parliament, but it's a history lesson. À l'avant, on voit des statues. Ce sont les fondateurs de Montréal, Trois-Rivières, Québec. In the front are the founders of Montreal. We'll do a turn around the founders. One more turn. So the statues in the front are the founders of Montreal, Quebec, and Tours. The architect did that in 1877, 1886. That's influenced by Musée du Louvre. Influence Musée du Louvre. C'est la Renaissance, Second Empire style. Non, anciennement, son ancien bureau, là, oui, mais pas ailleurs. Pas à l'autre. There's no tunnel. St. Louis get about the same, 1978, medieval style, but the Canadian period. Canada was formed in 1867. That's the upper tour with a guy. That's a different version. It's 1 hour expensive. St. Louis Street, one of the first streets built in Quebec, 1752 per house, occupied by Canadian soldiers actually. The only French wall standing is this one. In the back. All the others run out there before we did a quiz. They're all British. But this one is French. That's the only French wall standing. So there's in Quebec, Wilder's house in Quebec, 1677, on the corner. It's a restaurant today. C'est un restaurant juste au coin. Next house on the corner. White House, those are second India. We serve great meals. The only place where we can get that my grandmothers would do. It's good for the taste, bad for the waste. It's rich cuisine. C'est très riche. La soupe au pois, les pâtés, le gibier, la tarte au sucre, tout ce qu'il y a de très très riche. Nous avons. That's the only house in Quebec with metal shutters because the British Army kept their pay inside. And it became kind of a treasury house. And that's why we named the street People Think. It's the paintings that are the treasury, you know? Rue du Trésor, Treasury Street down below. A lot of paintings. Treasuries were not a painting, we were the money here at the end of the street. That's where Roosevelt and Churchill met to discuss the outcome in World War II, the chateau and the citadel, and they decided about the debarkment in Normandy. So this will be the end of this tour. I thank you very much. This bus will be converted into a different tour. So to keep on up, you have to take a red bus that will come here very shortly. We will go now. Oh, we'll stop here. We'll stop here right now. Thank you very much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you.
Tour done. 그 겹로 디들다 답디 Fairmount खरे होटल चिक लग दो पे मसी विनिंग बरेस ओ दे पछुबदो पछु 겹로 ने पूरा रेस कजी मजरे कोन कजी मजरे So that did it, guys. This is Quebec City. 자 뭔가 강 먹고 있자는 닝 저였을까 아 Yeah.
아, 나 이만 있어요.
Yeah. Ale ta khande chos ab dari Quebec City khande chos. Wa bas jo. Ine de midi ki ke joro kaloro ta French ki accent do da ji ge ngone shire shire do go chamas.
I know.
Ine ta inju da deresha deshe de ga ta war ma pe un ja do ngoma ta 1766 ta British nem do. Inde ki ta ko ki ta lugyu do ji mangu pe she so ya. Chida ma ki chala pe mangu do ta wall e nima British ta French couple ta ma couple wall ja ju pe mangu do. French ki color ta ki khande la so chik chik ji la so.
I remember.
Oh, I remember like the.
딱 먼저 license plate 라 딱 먼저 있는 license plate. 버만 같이 거리다 Green Mountain 이라고. 딱 먼저 이 license plate 라 French 톤에 가서 딱 저번에 시절에 있는 I remember race.
I remember, but French killer colors.
주심와.
I don't know.
Something like 주심와. 그래서 딱 하면은 이게
이네 군도 license plate wall plate 라 티도 아디.
Oh. Mainly I remember. And what do you remember like this? That they were nyama war chuyota ancestor the dinzo I remember like license plate. That midi ta sungi di tete chile las. Odi go to
이네 야 ar lago naski kyara. 이네 roa. Quebec City first time le roa pe masining ju do. Quebec City lenara at least nimani sum deoda nima chikla gonda chik denaro ngone khortuya remdu pening jo do roya ni inji minji mede chik New York City do traffic no do deomda da yama walk do sagan do do relax and enjoy in there
sagan do ba ama de arina shungin do Quebec City pe mena de la
yeah kala orugo waterfall ji do ro chik 타 녀에 너 델라 직도에 로야 다 waterfall 닝 저도 고도 파르나다 로 델라 직도 엔데네 가서 나올이야 로드에 이 다리 아니 let's go
다
see you 다다 alright. Let's go down. I'm gonna walk down. Kenza gaje ma phapo duda. The highway, the 40 east, the 40 west. Quebec City ne, kamu kamu tu jangan sudah mana? Yeah, jangan isu. Quebec City ne 10-15 minutes. That's it. It's not that far. Yeah. The waterfall, san ya la zao. The waterfall the little shira me da chu zao de. Ne pura zasa kenza de zupe masi ya kusesh. Oh my goodness, kale khoi de ni du de ta ra la zam sha sha na mare. Ah.
Yeah. Kenza.
Zaya os do. Ah.
I know.
So.
신 kenza the os.
Yeah.
Os de lo.
Support de zupe ya kudo. But real sende ni de ine nga seba cha suk che sa da sur de ne.
Ale.
Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye.
Samalo. Jab jo na wa de tu chana shue yin. Wa.
Yeah.
In takpa ne. Samalo in takpa ne tu chana shue yin. Manju gi da hindu de la jab jo na wa de la. Ani jar do modu ne na ro na share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.